Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com, as well as your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. Do have some rain showers as well as some fog that are moving across the Arklatex this morning. And after this clears out, we are going to push some record highs this afternoon, so it is going to be kind of unusually warm to start the week here, but we do have the coldest air of the season on the way late this week and into the weekend, so we're fully on that temperature roller coaster as we continue through the week here. Looking at what's happening this morning, you can see a little bit of the fog that's starting to set up there in Texarkana. Looks like some light rain maybe falling there in Bowie County as well. So the dense fog at the moment here across Arkansas, northeast Texas, and Oklahoma, all these locations, visibility is down to about 1 mile. Also down to about 1 mile visibility in Natchitoches as well, and it looks like that fog will eventually reach the Shreveport area, so there will be some pockets of dense fog out there through the morning. So the Weather Service has issued a dense fog advisory through about 9 a.m. or so. So just kind of keep it slow on the roads this morning. Give yourself a few extra minutes to get off to work or school. And you can also see that we do have a band of rain showers that has developed this morning as well. And this is in response to a warm front that is moving back up from the coastline. So this warm front will continue to push this rain north, likely into the I-30 corridor this morning. And you can see the front is basically stalled out and become stationary here, but it is going to be lifting to the north and carrying the rainfall away from us by the time we get into the afternoon. So there will be some sun that comes out today, and look out for that because it is unusually warm this morning. In fact, our average high for the day is about 70 degrees, so we're actually warmer than the average high in many locations this morning, so you can probably skip the jacket here in most locations, and we should see some sun pop out here in Shreveport. That will warm us to 82. The record high is actually 84, so we're not that far off from some records today. 85 for Natchitoches, and just slightly cooler as it looks like the clouds will linger a little longer here in I-30, but still a comfortable day coming in at 74 in Idabel as well as DeQueen. So look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. Does show that rain continuing to push to the north this morning. Likely we'll see the sun come out here where those temperatures will be in the 80s, but notice even this afternoon we could still have some lingering rain here north of I-20, and I know the rain will affect a lot of the areas that were hit hard with the storms on Friday night here, so there will be some rain possibility. We do see an isolated storm or two, but there is no threat for any kind of severe weather in the Arklatex today, but very well could have a few thunderstorms that do bring some thunder and lightning. And the rain goes away later this evening, likely going to stay partly to mostly cloudy here through the middle of the week, and not much to write home about once again as far as the rainfall totals here, but we are showing maybe at the upper end of the scale here we could see about a tenth to a quarter inch with the rain that's moving through this morning, but I do think most areas will likely dry out this afternoon and stay dry through the middle of the week here. We'll be in the 80s through Wednesday, and we'll start to tap into some cooler air Thursday and Friday. The cold front that will bring the big changes will fully move through as we go through the weekend here. We'll drop into the 60s Friday. Lows will be in the 30s and 40s this weekend, and daytime highs Saturday and Sunday will be in the 50s.